Hello and welcome back to my channel. Look what's back. Yes, it's the Mustang. I'm gonna finish it up. They took the motor out. The motor's done, it's finished. They just wanted to take the motor out because they want me to paint the engine bay. Everything's gonna be repainted black and continue with the candy red. But all this that you see came back like this. The car was kind of ready to paint, so I'm gonna have to take all this off, but we'll get it done. I think they left it out in the under a tree or something, but it's all right. We'll make it work. We'll get it done. And this car has been out of the shop for about a year, so they've been fixing the tranny, they've been fixing the motor, all that. So it's been outside in the weather, and that's the reason it's like this. I primered it. The car was kind of ready to paint, but now I'm gonna have to re-primer it and reblock it. So the inside's gonna get that pore 15. I'm gonna pressure wash everything, clean everything up, and put some pore 15. This engine bay is gonna get black, super glossy black, so everything's gonna be with clear coat. So let's just continue with the car, guys. I just wanted to bring you a little update as to what's coming up. This is what's coming up, the Mustang. Let's finish it up. If you haven't seen any of the videos of the Mustang, the build, I already painted the entire front end. I already painted the doors, everything. So if you haven't seen it, go back to my to the channel. Go to my channel. Watch the build from the beginning, so you can be caught up as to where I'm at right now. But let's just get this show on the road. All right, this is what's coming up this coming weekend. Hope you guys are gonna be enjoying this one. All right, guys, thank you very much. Subscribe to the channel for more updates on the Mustang and some other builds that are coming up. There's also a 1957 Chevy that's coming up, so just subscribe to the channel so you can be notified whenever the new builds are coming. All right, thank you. I'll see you this coming weekend, and like always, God bless.